Today we're going to where? Universal Studios.
Hi vlog, this is guys.
Almost 12:30. So, mag-lunch muna kami. Bago yes. Pepper lunch. Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Enter na kami.
Cartoon yun yan?
Yes.
Cartoon?
Oo. We're here, guys.
Hello.
Punta tayo picture taking sa loob ng Universal. Okay. Hi guys. We're inside. Next stop, lights, camera, action. Done! How was it?
It's giving some best, yeah. For me, I feel so much.
How was it, Bob?
I got wet, very wet.
Dito naman tayo ngayon sa Transformers. Maganda to eh. Tinakay namin to dati nila nanay. Hi guys! You know, this is a very fun one. Lagi na lang mahaba ang pila. Are you
All right,
ready?
recruits. Ready or not, it's mission time. Right up that company. Now, put on your glasses.
Good. Ano, damami?
The mommy?
Muulan. Oh, yun. Oh, it's raining. Oh my God. Next ride, guys. The Mommy. Nakakatakot yun eh. Dati, sinakay ako ni Mami doon nung bata pa lang ako. Akala namin chill ride lang. Tapos, bumababang ganon. Siya naman ang first time. Yeah, well, we will try. Are you ready? Roller coaster ba kayo mamaya? Oo. Tama. I think hindi kami makakapag-vlog kasi nga medyo extreme siya. So, we need to keep our belongings. Scared. You're scared? Yun na yung entrance.
Brad.
That will be you also.
Are you ready?
Yeah, and that will be you.
Ayan na.
Hey! Glasses!
Yan tayo mag-vlog kasi extreme ko. Kaya, bye-bye guys. Let's see our
Bye, vlog.
look
Bye,
after
vlog.
the ride. Bye-bye. Grabe guys.
My heartbeat.
Wow, Ralphie is so brave. Na-survive niya yung roller coaster. Sarap ano?
Ha?
Ayos ba?
Like, not even scary, not even scary.
Grabe.
Not enough, not enough.
Not enough
Need
ba?
more extreme.
Shaking right now. That feels like
Pressure was so
It's almost 4:30. Magra-ride sila Rohan ng roller coaster pero hindi na kami sumama. Kasi masyadong extreme yun. Ngayon, ayan, break time. Thank you. Churros. Pagtingin lang. Ito yun. We're going to Far Far Away Land at the Jurassic World. Dying. We need to buy our...
$6.
Wag na. Basta na lang.
Basta na lang.
Grabe naman ang raincoat dito.
Ikaw lang, mama,
$6.
Gray yung shirt mo. So hot. At least nice to...
Be wet. Yeah.
My shoes will be wet.
Oh yeah. Maybe we can drive.
Okay, we pick it.
Thank you.
Wow! We're spinning around.
Done! Was it fun? Huh?
Yes.
You got wet? Basa. Look at Bob. Super duper wet.
This change color pants.
Free ligo. Hey. Hi.
Far away land.
Huling punta ko dito 2015 pa, so 10 years na. Diba? Wala sila Fiona, sila Shrek.
Matag po ng dati. Layo ko pari ko, hindi ko nakita.
Minions. Ang cute. Dati wala to, bago lang. Ang cute to. Ride ulit. Long queue again.
They're so cute.
Oh, atlas,
It's okay.
Bakit may Agnes ako? Hindi kami nakapag-video guys sa loob. Bawal. Pero ang saya ng roller coaster. Ayun yung sinakyan namin kanina yun. Roller coaster. Okay, goods in goods naman next ride. Woohoo! Asok ko. Time check, 7:02 guys. Para naman bored ka na ba? Wow. Ayun o. Sa red. Layo.
It's swirl time. Here we go.
At least it's chill.
It's just a chill ride.
Wow.
It grew. Mas di Watson. Ano mo? See? Wow, ang cute na straw. The spoon at the bottom. Really? It's so cute.
No, the green straw.
Kaya pala $12.
The spoon also.
$12. Cute. Guys, nag-last ride sila ng roller coaster.
Very nice.
Nawala ng boses eh. Tinakyan nila yung red and black. Grabe ang tapang nila. Eh, nag-upside down yung roller coaster. The black one was. We're going to buy popcorn because Ralph is craving it. 400 para sa popcorn. We are so tired. Super duper pagod. All day walk. So, mas matagal pa kaming pumipila sa mga rides. Time to go home by USS. Guys, pauwi na kami and wala na, no energy, drained. So that's it for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye guys.